Recently, I was asked for some help on a difficult lighting situation for a Second Life viewer of mine. So let's see what we can do to help with this thing. So with Blender 3.0, let's make a tunnel. So we'll start with our cube. We'll delete one face. S. I don't know, let's say 4. S. X. 10. And we want to be able to see inside this tunnel. So let's make it a legitimate tunnel. Go to add modifiers and put in a solidify modifier. 0.2 for a thickness and apply it. Now if we were to try and render this, you can see the inside of it's black. And in fact, if we wanted to try and put some material on it, I have a whippy set of material add-on, but this is not relevant to the problem. It just makes it simpler for me, I guess. So let's see. Whoops, back to wood. And we're going to pick up really some dark wood. Okay, so we have no lighting on the inside and it just isn't showing up. Oh, we got to go into edit and assign it, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so see the outside is really dark and the inside's just totally useless. So how do we solve this? All right. Here's one way to solve it. Maybe not the only way. Okay. Yeah, we can be in solid mode, I guess. And how that works. Here's my axis. R, what was it? Y 90. And then SX. SX. What we're going to do is we're going to put an emission shader inside this object. Okay, so I have the node wrangler here, so I just do a Shift S to change that shader type into an emission shader. We'll start with, say, a 4, see what that does. Okay, we're going back into object mode. Rendered. As you can see, it lights that guy up pretty well on the inside of that thing. You could probably stretch it, make it a little bit longer. Yeah. All right. So now in order to create this texture for Second Life, excuse me, we do the standard routine here. We add an image texture, new, tunnel, don't need no stinking alpha. Make sure this is selected. Make sure this is selected. Go to cycles. Whoops. Cycles. Go down to bake. Uncheck direct and indirect because we don't want external lighting. I have a light in this scene to be supplying any of the light because we have our own lighting in Second Life. So selected, selected, bake combined. Whoops. No active image found. Why didn't you find an active image? We did a bake. We did an assign, right? Yeah. Select that guy. Select this guy. Huh. Oh, sorry. For some reason, we didn't get I must have been selecting the light tube in the center. Okay, there's our tunnel. Right, now we have something selected. There we go. Okay, so there's our texture that we've baked in for our object. In fact, let's kill the light because we've got a light problem right there. And do another bake. I don't know why that we've got that circle there. Let's try another bake and then we're going to investigate that circle. Okay, so go to UV editing and look. That's weird. It's that end piece. Huh. Is it because we're... Well, let's do this. All right, that should take care of it. Nope, we're not blasting that light at it. Yeah, our light came back on again for some reason. Okay, there we go. Still there. Needs a little fiddling with to get rid of that light bright spot. But if we go to look at this thing, you can see the rendered view, the texture on the inside is exceedingly bright. And that's because we've built this emission shader for the inside of it to light the inside of our tunnel. And we've set the strength of the background information high enough to get the outside. So that hopefully solve that person's lighting issues. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Check you back later. Bye.